Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to link to a subpage in Notion. This is a powerful way to connect related pages within your workspace, making navigation seamless and keeping your content organized. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, navigate to your workspace in Notion. Once you're there, open the page where you want to add the link. This could be your main dashboard, a project page, or any document where you need quick access to another subpage. The beauty of Notion's linking system is that it creates dynamic connections between your pages, so any changes to the linked page will always be reflected. Now place your cursor exactly where you want the subpage link to appear. This is important because it determines where the link block will be inserted. Once your cursor is positioned, type a / to open the block menu. This menu is your gateway to all of Notion's content blocks and features. In the block menu, type link to page and you'll see the link to page option appear. Go ahead and select it. This will trigger a pop-up window that allows you to search through your entire workspace. Here, you can either browse through your pages or use the search function to quickly find the specific subpage you want to link. This is especially helpful if you have a large workspace with many nested pages. Once you've located the subpage you need, click on its name to select it. Immediately, you'll see the linked subpage block appear right where your cursor was positioned. This block acts as a gateway. Clicking it will take you directly to the linked page, making it incredibly efficient for quick navigation between related content. Here's a helpful tip. If you want to see all the pages that are linked within your main page, head over to the left sidebar, click on the small arrow to the left of your main page name. This will reveal a drop-down list showing all the subpages and linked pages contained within that main page. It's a great way to get an overview of your page structure and ensure all your links are properly organized. This linking method is far more dynamic than simply pasting URLs, as it maintains the connection even if you rename or move pages around in your workspace. It keeps your Notion environment interconnected and easy to navigate, which is essential for managing complex projects or knowledge bases. Thanks for watching.